We're going to learn how to create our folders for camp. First, we're going to talk about what the network attached storage is. It is a series of storage that is connected through the network of our computers. If you go to network, you can see NHS Tech NAS. From here, we have camp. And from there, we have a whole archive of all the years in which we have on the storage. Here, I'm going to go to the current year and the current season. And when we go to the week that it is, we're going to create our folder. The first thing we're going to do is, for instance, if this was Hamped Up, we're going to put Hamped Up, then hockey team. You want the name of the segment and what you're covering, because then we can search for stuff for archival purposes, okay? If it's not a recurring segment, it would be special report. Double click in there. Inside of there, right click, new folder. We're going to make 5 folders. Right click, audio, video, media, project files, and finished videos. Always make these folders. Even if you don't use them, you're going to have all of these folders, because that says if there's audio in there, then we're going to put, if there's nothing in there, it means that you didn't use any audio. So any songs that you download is for audio. Any photos that you download or clips from the internet go in media. Your project file for Premiere Pro goes in project files. Any video that you shoot yourself is in videos. And then when you export, your finished video is going to go into finished videos.